What up, guys? This is a kind of a review slash info type thing um, to people that have decent monitors, or even the older monitors. Let's show you what mine looks like. I believe mine's a 19 inch. It might be a 20 inch, but I mean, it does the job perfect. Um, but this is what I got. It's a Pelican. Um, the description, it says a universal VGA adapter. So in the back you have your audio, so in case you want to do surround sound. Input output. All right, yeah, input output. So basically you would plug say unplug the monitor from the PC, plug it into this, and then in the front, just for example what I did before, um, instead of playing the PS1 I got on the TV behind me, I could play it on my PC monitor, which I like that. I'm probably gonna get a second monitor just to do that, to replace that. So yeah, people that um, like, oh, I don't want to buy a TV, and you have an extra monitor. I picked this up at a game store used. It's an older one. I'm gonna say, you know, early 2000s. Um, it's just a basic model. I picked it up for $10. Um, I've seen ones. They got one at that's really nice at a Radio Shack. I believe it's $100. It does. I don't know if it does HDMI, but it's got um, the blue, green, whatnot on it. So you can do high def inputs, which is really cool. So with this, I mean, this is perfect for retro gaming, and even modern gaming. You could hook a PS3 or Xbox and then play it on your monitor, if that's what you're choosing is. But yeah, and it's got a stand, so you can it hooks into the bottom, so it just sits like that. The design, it's kind of, to me, I'd rather sit it flat like this, but it doesn't look nice. It looks nice sitting up. But with the cords plugged into it, I mean, you're really gotta lay it sideways just so it doesn't tilt, fall, or um, it's real light, so it's not like real heavy. Um, so this is basically a message for me to send to anybody that's really wanting a TV that doesn't want to pay a whole bunch of money. You got a spare monitor. Even I was at the pawn shop the other day, and they're $50. So $50 for HDTV plus $10. Um, these ones you can probably find on eBay. I'll put a price range for modern ones or just one of these in the description. But definitely give give it a chance. If you're looking for a TV to play system, and even if you really wanted to, um, they, the converter boxes. I'm surprised they don't make the monitors have that in them, but then they would be more expensive. I seen a really nice one, brand new, um, at Walmart. I believe it was $200, and I mean it was an off-brand. I think it was a 27. It was either 27 or 30 inch, which was a decent size and it was $200. So you either see, and that's the problem. You could either go that way, or um, most modern uh, TVs have a um, your VGA in the back of them, which I mean, that's nice, but the computer monitor, it displays higher resolutions. Um, I know the older ones. Well, this is what I've been told. I don't know firsthand experience that, um, but I've played high quality videos on the computer monitor, and it looks absolutely amazing. Um, and with the older ones too, they still look really good. Um, but I'm pretty sure it's higher. It's more than HD. Um, so yeah, leave your comments below. If you did have a spare monitor, would you pick one of these up and use it as a TV? Um, or would that be too much hassle for you? Or um, would you buy a converter box? That's pretty cool to that's your once you see that's really awesome that you as a PC gamer or PC user in general, you can use your PC as more than just a PC. You don't have to like I'm gonna play a little bit of games, make some YouTube videos, send some messages. You can use it as a TV monitor. Yeah. So leave your comments below. Subscribe. I do not got many subscribers. Um, if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. There's a lot of interesting stuff that I'm going to be doing. I'm probably going to be rearranging everything, and then once I do that, I'm going to have my stack set up. I got a stack of stuff I have, PlayStation games, movies, stuff like that. I'm going to sit right here, right behind me, and give you guys a look at what I got. And so yeah, that is basically it. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I guess see you next video. Well, you'll see me. I won't see you. Unless you got videos, you send them to me. I'll watch them. Later, guys. Peace.